On April 9th, the Anjang Provincial Military Command held a conference to review the local military organization's operations under the two-tier local government model. Major General Nguyen Minh Trieu, Deputy Commander of Military Region 9, attended and directed the conference. Major General Nguyen Van Nguyen, member of the Provincial Party Standing Committee and Commander of the Provincial Military Command, chaired the meeting. Dear Comrade Deputy Commander of the Military Region, at the conference, delegates heard a summary report on the local military organization's performance after implementing the two-tier local government model. Accordingly, the Provincial Military Command has strictly implemented resolutions and directives from superiors, proactively advising local party committees and authorities on military and defense tasks. Force building and organization have been carried out strictly and in accordance with regulations. The system of commune-level military commands has been consolidated and rationally arranged. Combat readiness training, formalization, and discipline management have seen positive changes, with improved training quality and absolute safety guaranteed. Logistics, technical, and financial work have been ensured in a timely manner to meet mission requirements. In addition, party and political work have been comprehensively implemented. The consolidation of party organizations, member development, and political and ideological education have been strictly carried out. Mass mobilization, military rear policies, and the search and collection of martyrs' remains continue to be effectively implemented. Furthermore, the conference frankly pointed out limitations and difficulties, such as inconsistent coordination between agencies and units in certain areas. Area management was sometimes not thorough, and some units still lack facilities and equipment. The advisory capacity of some officers has not yet met the requirements of the new situation. Directing the conference, Major General Nguyen Minh Trieu, Deputy Commander of Military Region 9, recognized and praised the Provincial Military Command's recent achievements while requesting that they continue to deeply grasp resolutions and directives from the party, Central Military Commission, Ministry of National Defense, and Military Region, and proactively advise local authorities on military and defense tasks. Major General Nguyen Minh Trieu suggested continuing to consolidate organizational staffing to fit the new model, improving training quality and combat readiness, promoting formalization and discipline, ensuring good logistics and technical support, and focusing on building a cadre of officers capable of meeting mission requirements. Concluding the conference, Major General Nguyen Van Nguyen, Commander of the Anjang Provincial Military Command, accepted the guidance from Military Region 9 leadership and requested that all units seriously learn from experience, overcome limitations, and continue to improve local military operations to build a solid defense area in Anjang, meeting the demands of the new situation, as well as the Regional Defense Command boards also coordinating closely